Another beautiful evening here in Scotland, and I'm taking, this is a proper B road now folks. I know some of my other videos were A roads, even featuring the last one, featured a little snippet of motorway, and I thought you can't do that, you're meant to be the B road biker, and that's B road, not broad, although as I have alluded to, that could also be the case. Okay, so yeah, we're taking the, I don't know what road I'm taking, I don't know what it's called, it's a B road clearly, and we're going up to Sheriffmuir, which is above Stirling. I've never been up this road before, so this is a bit of a new adventure for me. I think I said in one of the first videos that sometimes I like to go out just on a beautiful evening like this and just follow a sign, see where it goes. I've got the bike to do it, the Triumph Street Scrambler. I can cope brilliantly with little roads like this, it's great fun. Just beware of rogue Range Rovers and tractors. But that's alright, roads like this aren't really they're not really meant for speed. Anyway, as ever, here's some cheesy royalty-free music to keep you company. Honestly, if you're watching this from wherever you are in the world, you really need to get over to Scotland. We have amazing roads. If you do come over, I promise I'll buy you a pint. I love T-junctions with no signs. Oh, it's a cattle grid, I thought it was an obstacle. Eeny, meeny, miny, let's go this way. I'm not sure if the GoPro picks it up, but you can see the hills way in the distance. Stunning. Right, I think that's enough for me. This is an incredibly steep hill which doesn't come across on the camera, I'm sure, so I'm going to concentrate on getting down it in one piece. Thanks for joining me again on another jolly jaunt. Until next time, ride safe, take it easy, and make sure you're in the right gear. See you later.